I'm Becky Seda with Seda Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Green Meadow, and I need to brag on Mike with Mom and Dad's house right now. So I'm a certified senior housing professional, and I work with a lot of seniors. It's something that I'm very passionate about. I visited a sweet older lady, and it became very apparent that she was homebound, and it would not be safe for her to put her house on the market and have people coming in and out of her home to look at it, see that she was homebound. I just had some concerns for her safety, and I felt like it was a perfect match for Mike to come in and visit with her. He did, presented her with an offer that was very good, got her all taken care of, moved into her new community, and she is so happy. Gave me peace of mind that she was going to be taken care of. Mike's team kept us informed every step of the way. I never wondered what was happening, and it was just such a pleasant experience. Highly recommend Mike with Mom and Dad's house. He's a great friend and a great business.